we need to solve this. Okay? How do you solve this? Step by step. First of all, what is this? This simply means, let's first of all analyze this. Square root of 8 is equals to the square root of 2 raised to power 3. What is 2 raised to power 3? That is 2 times 2 times 2. If you multiply this now, you're going to have 8. This and this 4. 4 times this, 8. Okay? So what is the meaning of this square root? It means 3 over 2. How do I mean? That is, multiply by, the square root means 1 over 2, which is 3 over 2. Therefore, I come to this place now to say 2, 3 over 2. This one, this means 1 over 2. That is the square root. And I've told us in one of the laws of logarithm, when you see this like this, because I know that these are similar. Okay? So what I will do, I will apply that law that says, if you see 3 things like this guy can excuse and come to the back of this log. This can also excuse and come to the back of this log. So we have this, okay? And I told us in one of the laws that if these are the same, it means what? 1. This is 1. This is also 1 because they are the same. Plus 1 over 2 multiplied by 1. You agree with me that this is 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2. 3 plus 1 equals to 4 over 2. 1 here, 2 equals to 2. This is the answer, okay? Hope you understand this. Very easy.